I've seen pictures all over the web of wild spaces being completely trashed by campers, and it's absolutely despicable, so I had to make a video just on that, so stay tuned, let's go. Hello, Russ here, bringing you the best tips and inspiration for hiking around the world. If all of that sounds right up your street, then do consider hitting that subscribe button below for more content just like this every single week. Okay, so I'm sure pretty much most of you have seen pictures like this and pictures like this all over the internet lately. It's all over Facebook, all over Instagram. So I thought I'd just put this video together to give you my thoughts on it, and I don't know, I just really wanted to kind of say some words because it's kind of heartbreaking to see. You've even got this article that I found that basically says National Park boss hits out at illegal wild campers leaving rubbish behind to despoil Britain's great beauty spots. I mean, look at the state of that, it's just disgusting. I can't believe that people are going out there leaving all of this mess. I mean, some friends of mine, they sent me posts on Facebook that were just of these places where there's just rubbish and crap just left everywhere, and they're probably usually the most beautiful, pristine parts of wilderness in this country that you can find. But since COVID-19 there's just been an absolute influx of it, and everyone's just going out trashing these wild spaces, and it's just so weird to see and really heartbreaking to watch, and it's completely unacceptable. All it's doing is putting a really bad name on all of us wild campers and through hikers that are doing it properly. We're leaving no trace and we're really respecting the land. As I said, it just really breaks my heart to see, and what makes it worse is that's probably the reason why wild camping is so flipping illegal in this country in most places. If everybody went out and respected the land, I don't think it would be the case. When I'm out hiking, I do my very best to pick up all of the crap that people left behind, especially when I'm in Snowdonia. Like, every time I go up there, I always find rubbish. It doesn't matter if I've been on that route multiple times in the same month, there is rubbish all the time. I went up Snowdon at night once, and even at night with my head torch, there's rubbish everywhere. There's like big 2-litre plastic Coke bottles, there's banana skins and fruit everywhere. It takes ages to rot. It's terrible the amount of stuff people leave behind. So yeah, going out with a heavy duty rubble sack, planning to pick up loads of rubbish, I do it every time, and I urge you to do the same. So who do I think it is that's doing it? I think since lockdown, all the people that are usually in the pubs and nightclubs, they don't have anywhere to go, or they didn't until recently. Instead of going to the pubs and nightclubs, they've decided, right, we'll just get a cheap tent and we're just gonna like hang out in the hills and just have a party, and then they just leave all of their rubbish everywhere. They clearly have absolutely no idea how to respect the land. I don't think these people have ever heard of leave no trace principles. They're basically going out there fly tipping and don't give a f***, to be honest. I don't usually swear in my videos, but it's freaking disgusting. So what can we all do about it as through hikers and wild campers? Just make sure that you're abiding by all of the leave no trace principles. I'll leave a link to those in the description below. Don't light any fires. They're messy, smelly, they're disgusting, they can cause wildfires, they're really difficult to clean up, they're bad for the environment, they leave soot everywhere. Just don't light any fires. Bring a stove, and only really light a fire if it's in a survival situation. Only pack what you need, and just don't take loads of single-use plastic with you. Decant all of your food into Ziploc bags. You can wash them out, reuse them. Just take the least amount of stuff that you can possibly bring that will enable you to complete your objective, wild camp safely, and all of those things. Definitely wild camp in small groups, and if you see anyone treating the wilderness badly, report it immediately. Just get these people off of the hills, out of the woods, and just get them to stop coming and trashing the place, because to be quite frank, I'm fed up with it. You're probably fed up with it as well, and we want to be able to still go out wild camp and through hike, and we don't want all of the laws to change just because a small group of stupid people can't treat the land properly. So that's it, rant over. What are your experiences with seeing rubbish in the hills? Do let us know below in the comments section. The trail hunter community would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching this video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I'll see you in the next one.